Hey everyone, welcome to my channel once again. This is Juliana, your girl. I'm welcoming you to my channel today. So today we're making corn and vegetable and baked beans and this food I love to eat it when I was young. So now for a very long time I haven't really made it, so today I decided to make it, and I'm gonna be giving you step by step direction on how I made this food. So this is corn. I have to boil this corn. So I boiled this corn like for 15 minutes. Okay, I already washed it and I put it in the pot, and it's boiling apparently. So while the corn is boiling, what I did was I started cutting my bell pepper, my red bell pepper. You could see me cut my red bell pepper. I'm trying to take off the seed.
Tell me that you love me, but you don't mean it. Baby, I am sorry, but I'm done with this. You wanna shoot your shot, but in the next 1 minute, you wanna leave me and run. Baby, shot it, shot it, shot it. You wanna shoot your shot, but in the next 1 minute, you wanna leave me and run. Baby, shot it, shot it, shot it. If you want to prove this love, baby, don't play me funny, oh. If you want to prove this love, baby, oh, don't play me funny, oh. Me, I know be a little. You can't play me like I should.
So this is green pepper. I'll also cut this pepper into slices and add it to the red bell pepper.
I know what you know, baby. Don't play me funny, oh. Me, I know be a little. You can't play me like I should. I know what you know, baby, oh. Don't play me funny, oh. Baby, don't play me funny, oh. Seem you're with me, then you just disappear. You turn me to zombie and not your son.
This is hot pepper. I'm using 1 yellow hot pepper.
I need a man that will hold me tight. I need someone that I know is mine. I need someone that is always by my side. I need someone that will turn around and check on me and know I'm alright. I need someone that is always by my side. Me, I know be a little. You can't play me like I should. I know what you know, baby. Don't play.
And I'm also using onions. You could see me slice the onions. I love red onions.
Me, I know be a little. You can't play me like I should. I know what you know, baby, oh. Don't play me, baby, oh.
Baby, oh, me, I want to party shorty for bust around the shorty down. Don't you wanna hear my vibe? Bust around the shorty down. Don't
So here is my spinach. I'm cutting the spinach.
you wanna hear my vibe? Promise I'll never leave your side. You need someone that will hold you tight. You need someone that will give you kiss of life. I need someone that will hold you tight. I need someone that will rock my body. I need someone that will tell me it's alright. Hey.
So if you watch up until this moment and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, give this channel a big thumbs up, hit the notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you, my dear, will be the first to get notification about the video. I would like you to share this video to as many people as you could. Share to your WhatsApp group, share to your Instagram account, share to your TikTok account. You are welcome to share this video. So I'm putting oil in the pot right now. This pot is overheated. I tell you, it's overheated. You could see it smoking. So after putting the oil, I added all my sliced ingredients, my bell pepper, my red bell pepper, my spicy pepper, my onions. I added everything, and right now I'm frying it. I'll fry it in a low and medium heat. I don't want it to get burnt. I want to be frying it in a high heat. So I'm stirring it thoroughly.
You Mr. Something song.
Trying to make sure none of the ingredients is burnt.
Share it. Tell me that you love me, but you don't mean it. Baby, I am sorry, but I'm done with this. You wanna shoot your shot, but in the next 1 minute, you wanna leave me and run. Baby, shot it, shot it, shot it. You wanna shoot your shot, but in the next 1 minute, you wanna leave me.
So right now I covered it to heat for like 10 minutes. Then thereafter, I'll add the rest ingredients.
And run, baby, shot it, shot it, shot it. If you want to prove this love, baby, oh, don't play me funny, oh. If you want to prove this love, baby, oh, don't play me funny, oh. Me, I know be honest, you can't play me like I should. I know what you know, baby. Don't play me funny, oh. Be honest, you can't play me like I should. I know what you know, baby, oh. Don't play me funny, oh.
So I'm apparently stirring it again just to make sure every part of the ingredient is well, cooked. Stirring it once again.
Then you just disappear. You turn me to zombie and not your Cinderella.
So now I'm adding in my seasoning, the Maggi, the salt, and the complete seasoning. This is the salt I just added in.
I need a man that will hold me tight. I need someone that I know is mine. I need someone that is always by my side. I need someone that will turn around and check on me and know I'm alright.
So I added in our baked beans. Like I told you, we are making corn, baked beans, and with spinach leaf.
Someone that is always by my side. Me, I know be honest. You can't play me like I should. I know what you know, baby. Don't play me on you. Me, I know be honest. You can't play me like I should. I know what you know, baby. Oh, don't play me on you. Baby, oh.
Stirring it once again. So right now I'm adding in the corn. We already cooked this corn earlier on, so the corn is soft already. So I'm adding it right now. That's why I'm not adding it too early.
Sakura, baby, oh yeah. I will never play your God.
It's actually second to the last ingredient I'm adding in this recipe.
Baby, I've been see, baby, oh. Me, I want to party shorty for now. Bust around the shorty down. Don't you wanna hear my vibe? Bust around the shorty down. Don't you wanna hear my vibe? Promise I'll never leave your side. You need someone that will hold you tight. You need someone that will give you kiss of life. I need someone that will hold you tight. I need someone.
So I'm adding the spinach right now. The spinach doesn't take long before it gets soft, so that's why I'm adding it last. If I add it too early, it's gonna be overcooked. I don't want my spinach overcooked, so that's why I'm adding it at this point in time. So spinach is the last thing, the last ingredient to add into this recipe.
Someone that will rock my body. I need someone
So apparently I'm stirring it.
that will tell me he's alright. Hey.
Oh my god, it's looking good already. This is appetizing. This is looking yummy. I love the mixture of red bell pepper, the mixture of spinach and the corn and the look. Everything is coming together. And again, this is a very healthy meal.
The Crystal Mix.
So our food is ready. If you've watched up until this moment again, I haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Give this channel a huge thumbs up. I want you to share this video to as many people as you could. Share it to your Instagram accounts, and I want you to hit the notification button whenever I upload any video. You will definitely be the first to receive notification about the video. So thank you once again for tuning into my channel or my returning subscriber. I love you all, and we have a little community group. I want you to join our community group. You enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.